Heather and Jill.
Hello.
So day 3 of the shred. You're shredding with me, right? Day 3.
I am.
And what are some of your go-to sweets? Like when you're shredding, and we're supposed to be avoiding processed sugars, gluten, dairy. What are I still like a little something sweet, especially like this time of day, 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Absolutely.
I just need a little something sweet. Pick me up. What are your go-tos?
So I love our Dynabites.
I do too.
That we make.
Yep.
Now I know we've posted about those before, right? I think we have. Those are delicious. But I love sometimes a little crunch. And I love Rice Krispie treats.
Oh my gosh, we used to make those all the time when I was little.
I know. So in the Shred 10 cookbook, there is a chocolate crispy bar.
I've never had those.
I know. So we're gonna try it.
All right, and it looks like there aren't a lot of ingredients, so that looks pretty simple.
That's another great thing. There's only 4 ingredients, which is awesome.
Chocolate Rice Krispie treats. All right, so I know we have a half a cup of honey that you had me melt already in here. So what's next?
So then we need to add the peanut butter.
Okay, so we've got some natural peanut butter.
There's a half cup.
Half a cup of that. I'll get that stirred into our warm honey.
Okay. And then,
Get that off there. Awesome.
then we need to measure out 2 scoops of the Dutch chocolate complete.
Okay.
And tell me what's in that?
Yeah, so this Dutch Chocolate Complete, we have 2 types of a smoothie mix, shake mix with Juice Plus. There is a Dutch chocolate and a French vanilla. And what I love about this shake mix, first of all, it's very versatile, but it is gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan. All right, it's high in fiber, high in protein, and it's got 15 plant nutrients. So in addition to the Juice Plus that I take each day, this is giving me, or my kids, whenever they have a shake or a smoothie, 15 additional plants, all right? I use this to make overnight oats. I use the vanilla in pancakes. So there's lots of ways to use it. We can make pudding out of the chocolate or vanilla. We can make cookie dough.
Brownies.
So there's so many fun ways to use this, and basically you're giving it a nice chocolatey flavor if you use the chocolate, and you're giving your recipe 15 plant nutrients. So this recipe calls for 2 scoops. Okay, so I'm gonna put 2 scoops there in our.
And nobody's gonna know that they're eating all these plants.
No, oh my gosh, it tastes like.
I love it.
I had a chocolate peanut butter banana shake. It's like the most basic recipe that I have been making for years this morning, and it's so good. So yeah, this is just a great product. It's, like I said, dairy-free, gluten-free, high fiber, vegan, low glycemic, so helps keep your blood sugar stable. It's just a really great product. And then what do you need next?
Okay, so then it calls for 4 cups of gluten-free puffed rice.
All right, so we're gonna use 2 cups of the Cocoa Crisps, which are the brown rice, gluten-free, and then we're gonna use 2 cups of the regular, right? Just to mix it up a little.
So I'm actually gonna throw on some gloves because it's easier to mix.
All right,
with
so
your hands.
1, 2, and then it's 4 cups total. So I'm putting 2 of each kind, so that'll be 4 cups of our brown rice Krispies. All right.
This is such an easy recipe.
Yeah.
And it's so good.
Yeah, your kids can make this. It's super simple.
So I know I said there was only 4 ingredients, but I would love to add some of my vegan chocolate chips. They're just little minis.
Just a little bit, like a half cup or so, you think?
Yeah.
About a half cup?
Yeah, maybe a quarter. Yeah.
Is that good?
I think that's good.
Perfect.
About a quarter cup.
All right, about a quarter cup.
So all you're gonna do is you're just gonna.
That's looking pretty delicious. I can just really get a spoon and eat that.
I know.
In fact, I am gonna get a spoon and try it. All right. Make
you go.
sure that you did it right.
It's kind of hard to mess these up,
Right, but
but you never know.
all right. Let me give it a little try. So we've just got, nice yummy mixture there. It's gonna easily push down in that pan because it's already sticking together. So good. I love peanut butter and chocolate. I mean, it's
I know.
like Reese's peanut butter cup.
With a little crunch.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
That's really yummy.
So then we just lightly sprayed an 8x8 pan with some tan spray.
Just kind of push them down in there. And do we put these in the fridge, or are we just gonna let them sit out and they kind of form?
No, I just let them sit out.
Okay.
I think if you put them in the fridge, then
They're gonna get too
they'll
hard.
get too hard. Oh, workout here.
Look at you, yes.
Pushing these in. That's
Oh
it.
my gosh, the kids are gonna come home from school and be so excited about this.
Are we sharing?
Maybe not. Maybe not. I probably have that pan actually. Here you go. So we have got our delicious chocolate Krispy bars, our version of a healthy Rice Krispie treat. No marshmallows.
No marshmallows.
Yeah. So none of that extra sugar, and I think you'll find them absolutely delicious. And again, you know, if you want to learn more about the shred, comment below. We'll be putting other videos out there that tell you a little bit more about it. But it's just a great 10-day program that helps us to detox, get rid of some of the unnecessary habits, the habits that aren't serving us well. And one of the things that we do eliminate besides gluten and dairy is processed sugars during the shred. And so this is just one way to get a nice little sweet treat in. Be sure to subscribe to us. More great videos to come. We'll post this recipe below, and we'd love for you to comment.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Let's cut this bad boy up.
All right, sounds good. I want